What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are playing Don't Press the Button 2. And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe right now. Okay, let's start, Matthias. Come on.
Okay.
Interact.
Button.
It's very cool. What's happening?
Whoa. Ah! There's a monster. There's a monster.
What? I just spawned. Huh? Where is he? Oh, it's a monster! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me!
Wait, on top of here. Stand on top of here.
I can't
Here.
stand. He looks like a dinosaur. Ooh.
He's stuck.
Oh no! He's chasing you! Run! I'll distract him.
Outside. He's so close to me.
Hey you! Listen! Hey you! Hey you stupid monster!
Up here.
Get over! There's another monster! Another one!
Where?
Look!
No, it's coming back and chasing me.
Hello?
Get back here.
I'm staying up here.
Oh, let me see you.
Where can we get out?
Wait, there's a door we could have seen. Oh, we
Oh,
can't.
run!
It's coming. Where will this end?
I don't know. We have to find a way to get out of here. There must be some codes.
Aga,
What?
he doesn't instantly kill you. He just gets you damage. Look.
Oh, okay. But get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. There's no way out.
Jump over it.
Just stop doing that, Matthias, or you're gonna die.
Who is Dalek?
Delek. Weird. Where's the exit?
I don't know. Maybe reset. Oh wait, there's a door here.
It doesn't work. It's open, Matthias. Get out. Oh, it's over.
Who did it? Oh,
Look, what is that do? Why is he doing there? Matthias, reset. You will not get damage. Oh, warning. Well, What? Watch out.
It's going for me.
Matthias, before you press the button, don't do it, okay? I want to show you something.
Oh, I can't go over here. Look.
Just push me off. He's getting out. He cannot shoot at me. He cannot shoot.
Where's my hair?
Matthias, before you press the button, don't press it. I want to show you. Look,
Reset.
don't press the button. Look, I look like the old skin of me, remember?
Yeah.
From
reset.
the 9th January of 2025. Yeah, I'm gonna reset. Don't press the button. Come on. I'm back. Press it. What next?
That was so funny.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
What are you doing up there?
Hello.
Uh-oh. I don't like this place. There's something horrible. The other can choose you. Oh my god, try hard next time you can do this. I died.
Turn your head. Don't get burned. Don't touch the cauldron, it's evil.
Why do I just keep dying? What's up here? There's nothing up here.
Wait, maybe there's something. Whoa, why is there a door? Whoa, Aga,
Look
down
at my
here.
head.
There's a hole.
Matthias, look at me. Look. I lost. Matthias, look at me. Bite's head.
There's nothing here.
Matthias, look. Help. Matthias, where are you?
Wait. Aga, remember this?
Look
Remember
at me. Look.
Wait, Aga, remember this?
Yeah?
Wait, stand out here.
Yeah?
Remember in the Doors video we did this?
Okay. Oh yeah, listen. Here's the history. Ooh, a haunted house. What's in here? Someone there. Oh, I can try to ask him. Excuse me? How about you can help me to get out of here? Why are you turning around? Don't you dare to go.
I'm burning. Help, I'm burning on the side.
Ha, die. Wait, Matthias, don't press the button. Don't press it. I have to reset. I want to get my all back.
The cauldron again.
What's next? Oh, a cake.
The cake is alive.
Cake is alive.
No.
Ah, I like that cake. I don't have any ideas.
You got mail.
Look. Wait, I got one.
Oh, he's a Roblox studio.
Okay.
Why is there a Roblox studio?
Wait, I got one. Hello? Why is there a killer? Why do I see him over there?
Wait, there's a shop here.
Oh no.
Oh, look. He died. Of him.
I think we might need to run away from him, Aga.
I think we may run.
Get away from him.
What just happened? Body report.
Manga.
He did. It's like from Among Us. Yeah. Ducks.
It's raining.
Ducks.
It's raining ducks.
It's raining ducks. Ducks.
No need to ask why.
How about I can go to the shop?
Open your eyes. Just open your hands and close your eyes. It's raining ducks. It's
Raining ducks. Add your mystery. Ducks. All you can.
Versions of duck. Whoa, there's a golden duck.
Golden. Let me get it. No. Stay indoors.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Stay indoors.
Stay in. It's not safe out there. It's a weather. Uh-oh. I think there's going to be a tornado. But no, it's just a very huge wind.
It is a tornado, or it's just a hurricane.
Ah! It broke. No, me too.
I still keep the duck. No, I lost my duck.
No.
And I just keep dying.
Me too, because of the wind. No. Why am I just keep dying? Stop this. Stop that. Press the button. Not this again.
Oh, no, it's this one. Wait, Aga.
Oh, what is that? Nothing happened.
Magic.
A thunder. Oh, you got hands on your head. Going on the soup again. Wow, look, Matthias, look. I'm eating this. Oh, my head. Oh.
Wait, that's perfect. Stay there.
Yeah, okay.
Whoa, a haunted house. Let me answer it. I'll check upstairs first. Seems like there's no one down here. I'll check upstairs. I'll go downstairs. Huh? Who's that person? Did he just appear? Where did he appear? The door closed. Why are you turning?
Hello. Get over here. Gotcha.
Why is my dog crying? My dog's like.
Never mind
because my
about that.
grandma left.
Never mind about that. Can I go into this? You look so ugly.
It's a thing. No, you look much uglier when you have that.
I like this head. My head is so big.
No, it's back again.
Matthias, don't press the button, okay? I'm gonna buy something, okay?
I'm also
Don't-
gonna buy something.
Yeah,
I have 325 coins. How much do you have?
335. Hee.
Oh, we can buy a speed coil. I got
I
a speed
can't.
It was.
Oh, never mind. Uh-oh. Creeper. Oh, man. Oh,
Okay, how much coins do you have?
270.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Quickly. Get up. Get up. No. No.
no. Did you use the speed coil?
That's cheating, you know.
Yeah, but you did it last time. No, I'm falling. You did it last time. Oh.
Oh, the lava is here.
No, I died.
No, I died.
It was so what? I'm under the lava.
Me too.
Wait, I guess we can complete the app.
Don't touch it.
We can complete the obby without
Oh.
any. Aw.
Wait, Matthias, I want to buy something.
What do you have?
300.
Oh, buy the speed coil.
Yeah. Yes. Now I can finally move
Yay.
faster. Why is there fire coming from behind?
It gives you fire.
Oh, is that cow?
Drink this. It's free.
Yeah, drink it. Is he okay?
Wait, I don't know. Watch what happens when I drink this. Look.
What? It gives you damage. Is the milk's expired? The milk's expired.
See?
Yeah, it's expired milk. Uh-oh, look what happened to the cow. It's burning. Don't touch it. We have
Burning so fast that he literally started burning. Look.
Uh-oh. There's fire coming from it.
It's going to the water.
Yeah. Is the cow okay?
I think we need to call this cow. I think we need to call an ambulance on this cow.
Oh.
No, we need a therapist.
It didn't
What the hell
explode.
did you just do?
Oh!
Ah, no! Use a speed coil. Why is there a furry?
Oh, furry.
Furry.
Furry? What are you doing there? Attack him!
That's a furry. Why is there a furry?
Yeah. Can I buy something? Fasten coil. Taser. I don't know what kind of this is. It's finally gone. A new furry has appeared. Oh wait, I know it's like from the Mario. I'm staying very far away. Oh, it's oh. Oh.
Whoa!
Well, don't get close. Oh, far away.
Oh, it gives you half damage. It gives you half damage.
Yeah, I'm staying very far away.
It doesn't kill you. The void doesn't kill you. Look, I still have the damage. Look, the void doesn't kill you.
Is he okay? Where is he?
I don't think he is. He's under the map.
Oh. Well, at least he's gone.
What the hell did you just do?
Oh, not again. Run.
The furry again.
Him again. I wish I have a weapon to attack him.
You guy does not know how to use a gun. Look.
Yeah.
Look at him using aura. Ah!
He
I
did.
died.
Yeah. Press the button. What's happening? Look!
No.
A new phone!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Here.
Yeah. Let's stay under here. Probably safe.
I'll go under the staircase just in case.
Yeah. Me too.
So, since there's a bunch of layers on top of here, we'll get covered by the debris and stuff.
Oh! We just died.
Did we just get teleported?
Run! Use the speed coil!
Right here. Under this debris. Right here.
Okay, I'm getting out there. I can't. Oh, there we go. Should be safe in here.
Yeah, we're safe here for now.
Come on. Oh, it's opening. Oh, we almost fell out the edge.
No, I accidentally did.
Oh no, get out. You cannot reach me. You're too far away. You cannot reach us. Ha, we're so far away. Hey, you trying to catch me? Oh! Try to catch me, loser. Hey, try to catch me. Try to catch. Oh, he almost got me.
Wait, let's see if he can get us from here. Wait, I'll just bring it. No,
Loser.
if we can get us.
Oh,
Oh, he's gone.
he's gone. What now? We have to shoot at them. Shoot. He's dead. Help, I'm in chase. Ah, he's dead. Come on. Yeah. There's too many. Yeah. I'm helping you. Yeah, that's not fair. Oh, watch out. There's so many of them. Come on, reload. Yeah. Oh,
Wait, I found a safe place. We're safe here for now. Look,
yeah. What is this?
right here. No, right here.
I'm coming.
I found.
I'm staying on the top of the castle.
No, right here.
No, I'm staying on the top of the castle.
And we could probably just. Oh, we survived.
Okay.
We could have probably just shot them from the window.
Yeah. Okay.
The cake is alive.
Cake is a lie. No, I want the cake. Watch out! It's mine. Go away. Shoot at him. Cannot shoot at them.
Hey, give me the hot dog! Give me the hot dog! Hey, give me the hot dog!
Oh, I know this guy.
Give me the hot dog. Hey, hey,
Hey, give me
no,
the hot dog! Give me the hot dog!
no, shut up, you.
Give
No,
me the hot dog!
die, die. Kill him. Kill him.
He wanted to kill me.
It doesn't work. Press the button. What are you doing there, Matthias?
Hey, give me the hot dog!
We don't have the hot dog.
Hot dog! Hey, give me the hot dog! Give me the hot dog! Hey, give me the hot dog!
Don't shoot! I'm with the science team!
Make him fall off the edge. Let's fall. Come on,
Hey,
fall.
give me the hot dog! Give
No,
me
no, no.
the hot dog!
Yeah,
Hey, give me the
no.
hot dog! Give me the hot
It's
dog!
because the book
Hey,
respawns
give me the
them
hot
just
dog!
like us.
Give me the hot dog!
Shut up, you please. Shut up, shut up. Die, 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 die.
Wait, maybe we could crush him.
No, he can respawn.
No, here.
Hey,
It's
give me
because
the
the
hot
void
dog.
teleports you, not
Give me the
respawning.
hot dog! Hey, give me the hot dog!
Look,
Give me the hot
he's gonna
dog!
and die. Yeah, I killed him.
Yay!
Mother. He finally shut up. Ah!
Ah! Oh no! I was supposed to juke them. Come on, try again, try again, try again.
Wait.
No, I lost my weapon.
No, my gun.
Wait. Oh, Dodge, stay in there.
Let's go in here.
Let's go.
It's gonna respawn.
I opened the chest.
Oh, it gives you money if you beat it.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh, watch out.
and puppets are still there.
SCP-049. Are you okay? Uh-oh.
No, I'm not.
What's happening to you? What is another one? Hey, wait. Take me.
You're a necromancer.
Ugh. What are you doing with me?
My
Oh, what? He's a zombie. Look, he made me. He made me. I'm the real me. I'm the real me. Hey, you.
I'm the real Matthias.
Hey, get over here. Get over here. No. Which one is the real you? No.
I don't know what they do. Look. See, Aga?
Yeah.
I don't know what they know.
No. I just became a zombie.
Even fire boy.
Yeah, come on. Jump.
What the hell did you just do?
Oh, it's a furry.
Shoot him.
Enemies.
Shoot the enemies. Shoot him. Shoot him. Yeah, shoot him. Yeah, he's dead. Thank you. Don't shoot at me.
Don't shoot at me. Go shoot at Aga, not me.
No, shoot at Matthias. Not
Oh,
me.
the zombies are gone.
Uh-oh. A sword. Run away from the imposter. He's so cute. He's slow. Ah. He's too slow. Let's make him throw off the edge. Hey you, try to get me. I'm gonna make him. Oh, never mind. Our cows. The cows.
Is it? It's the. Whoa! Why is there sheep instead of a cow? Stop trying to blend in.
Okay,
No,
let me
what
touch
is
it.
that?
Ew, he pooped.
What? Ew.
Ew.
He's pooping every time you click him.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
what if
ew.
he
Disgusting.
makes him 1,000 times.
That's weird.
I know.
I'm gonna push him off.
Oh, he pooped again.
I can't. Oh, they're gone.
Yeah, the poop finally disappeared.
Yeah. Ooh. Find an exit for surprise. I know where's the exit.
No, you don't. Oh, I found it.
I found it too. Look, what is that down there?
Oh, that's the same guy. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember on the monster thing? Where the monster
I don't
was
like that
shaking
scary sound. Listen. Where can we get out? Matthias,
I'm pretty sure we spawned
Matthias,
in here.
before
And
we
then
press,
over there.
Matthias, before we press the button, I want to buy something.
What?
I want to buy something.
Ooh, wait, let's buy the gravity coil.
Yeah. Gravity coil. Here we come.
So we have the jump boost. The gravity coil. Oh, I got it.
Me too. Oh, I'm jumping so
The
high.
gravity coil. Yeah, we have los combinaciones.
Yeah. Oh, what's happening? This is like slippery. I don't like that creepy sound.
Oh, it's a cute penguin.
Hey, what a cute penguin.
They're not. They're not. They bite.
Ouch! They're not cute at all. Ouch! They're not cute at all.
Ah. They can enter the igloo. Wait, Aga, I just have an idea. Just loop them around. Look.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Like this. Just loop them around.
Yeah. Okay. 3 them around. Yeah, I've looped them around.
Aga, let them chase me.
Okay.
Let them chase me. There.
This is so creepy. Yeah.
Boing.
Boring.
Boing, 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 boing.
Boring. Yeah. Boring.
That was so easy.
Yeah. So easy. What's the next? Uh-oh. Get out of the way. Enemy's coming is coming right out of the way.
No.
Watch out!
Can't we just stand on here? Aga, just stand on top of here. They can't get you here.
Yeah. We'll probably be safe here. Matthias.
It's a helicopter.
Yeah. Uh-oh. He's spawning bombs.
We need help.
No, he's spawning bombs.
Help. I need help. No.
Yeah. Matthias. Matthias. 2 more buttons, then we are done.
Okay.
Yeah. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. Look.
What the hell did you just do?
Uh-oh. Ah. Ugh. Well, at least the helicopter is gone. Hey, you stupid! Hey. Get out! Come on, Matthias. What is that?
August. So, turns out this is actually bleach. Ooh, what's that?
Let me get it.
Aw.
It's a fake. Football. Oh, a goal.
No, it's mine.
Now it's mine. Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
No, mine.
Mine. Mine. Let me score.
Mine.
Score.
I did it.
No, I did it.
No. Did you get any points?
Yes. I won.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you get 100 coins.
Matthias, 2 more buttons. There we are done. 2 more buttons.
This one. Aga, we gotta open it.
Oh, Matthias, I'm on the top. Matthias, use the gravity coil to jump. Jump.
No, Aga.
Find a way to get out of here. No.
Oh, I opened it.
Stop chasing me. Ah, get out.
No, I accidentally drank the bleach.
Matthias, 2 more buttons. There we are done. Okay?
Okay.
Please, someone help me.
Whoa, Aga.
What?
You can
Whoa.
jump on top of here, look.
Yeah, I know. Oh, get up. Oh, I just went on top of the top. What?
Whoa, Aga, you can stand on the side. So you can stay here.
Yeah.
Aga, come back.
Okay.
Back. Look, come.
Oh,
See, stand on the side.
he's still there.
Hey, Aga, how are you doing there?
Hey. Sing on top of your head.
Did you go there? I wasn't even looking.
Oh, whoa, we jumped. We're out.
We're out. Hooray, freedom.
Hooray, free. Hooray, we're free. Let's get out of here.
What was actually there this whole time?
Whoa. 2 more buttons. Okay.
Robin, ¿por qué estás esperando?
1. Okay, run. What is this? Potato.
In case you were wondering,
Yes, I'm a potato. I want a reward. Yay.
So, how are you holding up?
Still a potato.
Oh, hi. So, how are you holding up? In case you were wondering, because I'm still a potato.
Uh-oh. Let's get out of here.
Oh, it's coming.
Matthias, get on the top of here so we can get out of here again. Come on.
Alright, coming.
Coming up the same place.
Oh, hi.
Come
In
on.
case you were wondering, yes. In case you were wondering, yes, I'm still a potato.
Oh, Aga.
Huh?
Look. Come down.
Yeah.
Look, right here.
Yay, we escaped. Let's jump down. Jump down.
Wait, what's over here?
Yeah.
I wonder what's over here.
Yeah.
Why is my dog being mad right now?
There's nothing over here. Let's just jump down. Jump.
Freedom.
Freedom.
You can
Wait, what?
Respawn back. No, Aga, right here.
Yeah, no, okay. We're getting out of here.
Yay.
Yeah, we're free.
Okay. On train. Yes, I'm still a potato. Why is there a rocket here?
In case you were wondering, yes, I'm still a potato.
That's weird.
Yes. In case you were wondering. In case you were wondering.
He talks.
In case you were wondering. Yes.
It's saying, in case
you were
you're
wondering,
wondering.
yes,
Yes, I'm still a potato.
In case you were wondering, yes, I'm still a potato.
Matthias, can I jump on the top?
Aga, make sure to stand here. So you're extra safe.
Oh. One last button.
Wondering, yes, I'm still a potato.
What is that?
Oh, there's something that goes on your head.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's
The
it.
last one.
Okay.
That was the last.
String on the top.
Hey, do the thing. Go here. In case you're wondering. Yes, I'm still a potato.
Oh, hi. So,
I'm running
how
on
are
the
you
inside
holding
of
up?
Matthias.
Because I'm a potato.
I don't know. I'm distracting him. Whoa!
Whoa.
That's it for the video. That's it. That's it.
Wait, I'm gonna reset. Reset.
Wait, let me reset you. Don't press the button. That's it for the video, okay? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it, Matthias. Stop.
Button. Someone pressed the button. Totally not me. Who pressed it?
It's you.
No, it totally wasn't me.
Yeah, I know it was you. That's it for the video. Alright. Don't press the button. Matthias.
What? Oh no. Aga, do it.
Game
Give
isn't
me the
over
hot
yet.
dog.
So this is
Give me
to
the hot
be
dog.
continued
Hey,
again.
Give me the hot dog.
Yeah.
Give me the hot dog.
Yeah, it's to be continued. Make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe right now. Okay, bye.